Good evening everyone.
Good evening, sir.
In this video we are going to just discuss about the general water footprint. That's how the water looks like green, blue or grey, and what are all the water having a problem, and in what ways water would be using in public domain through different aspects. So generally water footprint means just to look at the slides. The water footprint is nothing but it's a measure of humans' appropriation of fresh water in volumes of water consumed or polluted. It means how much water we are consumed day by day and how much we are using and how it gets polluted, whether it is useful for next level or not. Like that we are going to discuss. That's why footprint means it's presence of water, how it is utilized by the general public in our environment. That's why it is denoted as green water, blue water and grey water. So green water is nothing but it is water from precipitation that is stored in a root zone of the soil and evaporated, transpired or incorporated by plants. It is particularly relevant for agriculture, horticulture and forest products. It means the water looks somehow getting from the soil, natural water we can say, which can be used in a agriculture application, horticulture and forest products. For this, how the water is utilized to develop this agriculture area, you know very well farmers and all, they need a pure water. That is called green water. Okay, it means it won't get any pollution. That's called green. Generally green means it is pure we used to tell. That's why it is called green water. And blue water, see, water that has been sourced from surface or groundwater resources and either evaporated or incorporated into product or taken from one body of water and returned to another or returned at a different time. Irrigated agriculture, industry, domestic water can be used as a blue water footprint. It means it is getting from groundwater resources. It can be reusable. It can be reusable and also at a different time. Irrigation means you know very well that agriculture area and all these blue waters it can also they are using and it can be reusable. It means you can filter it, you can modify into somehow purify. That's why reusable we can say. Okay. So grey water means it is having some pollution. Footprint, the amount of fresh water required to assimilate pollutants. That's the reason. Pollutants means the pollutants will cause pollution in your water. Compared to green and blue water, grey water will not be advisable to use in a regular mode generally. Since it is usable water, day by day people are using in their life and they are make polluting. That's called it is grey. Okay, in the name itself you can judge easily. The grey water footprint considers point source pollution discharged in a freshwater resource directly through a pipe or other different source. It means it can be polluted, it can also pollute the main freshwater. So it can get from the pipe means the people who are using this to make it as a pollution. That's the thing, it is called grey water. Okay, it can also be reusable after make into purified. Okay. So the concept of water footprint was coined generally in 2002. It can be given to the public by the researchers Hoekstra and McConnell from University of Twente in Netherlands. They only gave this concept. Okay. Now, according to Water Footprint Network's ranking, currently the top 5 countries with the largest water footprint per capita are Mongolia, Nigeria, Bolivia, UAE, United States. Okay, how the water consumes 10,000 liters per person per day, Mongolia. This country consumes people's consumes a large amount of water from Mongolia side. It means that they need more amount of water like that. So similarly UAE also, states also. So finally virtual water. What is meant by virtual water? Virtual water is nothing but water hidden in the products. It means the products consumes water. Through this water the products are making manufacture. So these manufactured products will be processed through usage of water. That's called water hidden in the products. And this is a very important topic and services and process people use in every day. See, Professor Tony Allen in early 1990s introduced through his research virtual water concept. Okay. So what are all the types? 4,650 liters of water to produce 300 gram of beef. You know very well beef. the cow meat is need this much of amounts of water. It means how much water it is getting consumed to make it as a beef meat. So these are some of the important water footprints: barley, wheat, sorghum, millet, tea, coffee. See how much water liters they are using there. So these are some of the products you can see. This is beef. Photosynthesis as we already told. So yeah, very heavy for you see here. This is very heavy for beef. Yes, compared to others, it's very heavy. Yes, of course. Water intensive products, vehicles, say smartphones, jeans, bedlines, paper products. Some of the products how the waters are being used. Here, 1 gallon means 3.8 liters of water. It means 21,000 or 22,000 gallons. It means 22,000 into 3.8 liters. You can multiply. So how much amount there is. So thank you so much for your patience and listening to the topic about virtual water, and we can conclude this topic.
Thanks. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, thank you.